also tend to underestimate our parents a lot. Our parents are actually very accepting and very forgiving. They are possibly the most forgiving people that you will have in your life. And I don't like my relatives. Be nice to everybody till they deserve it. I realized how terribly broken I was in those 2.5 days. If I could have come out and spoken to my mother the way I did in 2023, maybe in 2015. Call me by my orientation. मुझे घंटे का फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा because that's my truth. One of his fans jumped from top and then there was लाठी charge and everything. हे भगवान, हम लोग भागे हैं घोड़ा लेके, वो पुलिस हमारे पीछे भागी है because अगर आज के जर्नलिज्म देखे तो जर्नलिज्म और sophisticated trolls में ज़्यादा फर्क नहीं है.
Welcome to the Debina Banerjee Show. Today, I have someone on the podcast whose energy is absolutely infectious, whose interviews are a masterclass in wit and charm, and whose journey is as inspiring as it is real. He's not just one of the most loved entertainment journalists, but also a very, very dear friend of mine. Someone who has redefined how celebrity conversations happen with fun, depth, and a whole lot of heart. From making Bollywood's biggest stars spill their secrets to owning his own truths fearlessly. That is my friend Nayandeep Rakshit. The podcast is also available on Spotify, so don't forget to subscribe and listen to it on the go. Welcome to the Debina Banerjee Show, Nayan.
Thank you so much. This is family. I will always say this.
मतलब I was actually very nervous और क्योंकि हमेशा it has been the other way around. I have always been sitting comfortably, जो पूछना है पूछ लो वाली situation. But to ask somebody who is the, you know, who's a master in asking people, I just don't know how to and where to start. But the moment you sat here, I got relaxed. I don't know, there's something in in the aura जो मुझे बोला कि relax. क्या tension है?
It's me.
Yeah, it's you.
And also, people have not seen this on camera, okay? But we have had deeper conversations where you asked me you are perfect because I think you also have that inquisitive mind and you ask a lot of questions too, which I love because even I was that child in school. I would ask like 10,000 questions till the doubt is cleared. So that I think now I get paid to ask questions. That's the better part of it.
Yeah, I think I belong to a generation who has seen things happening. Mane, the coming of television, the coming of phones, a lot of things. Social media, mental health days.
Yeah.
In our days, there was nothing called mental health. So we have seen everything evolve. Human relationships evolve. The way to look at relationship has evolved. Careers evolved. Things like, what we call careers today never existed back then.
But what makes you think that I'm not from the generation? I'm also from the same generation. I'm telling you, I am very old. I'm going to turn 33 this year.
So that is old, my friend. 33 years old is old, according to him.
32 plus, 33 in May. But 33, I'm in my head 33 only.
So let's discuss all the experiences that you have had in that long life of yours.
Absolutely.
Coming to the starting days, I know, being Kolkata se if you belong, even though it is one of the metro cities of India, there's a very rigidity in exploring careers per se. 3-4 प्रोफेशन को ही सही मानते हैं और उसके बाद थोड़े से रिजिड हो जाते हैं, नहीं यही है, ये नहीं है तो अच्छा नहीं है वाली एक सिचुएशन. सो हाउ डिड यू ब्रेक दैट होल थिंग? हाउ वाज योर चाइल्डहुड लाइक एंड how did you come to Mumbai?
My childhood बहुत सुकून वाला था. मेरी चाइल्डहुड एक्चुअली बहुत सुकून भरी थी. सब मुझे पूछते हैं कि कितना स्ट्रगल रहा होगा, कितना स्ट्रगल नहीं रहा होगा. एक्चुअली मेरी कोई स्ट्रगल नहीं थी. स्ट्रगल मेरे मम्मी पापा की थी. Actually, if I go back and see, my parents were never not convinced with my decisions. And कभी-कभी होता है कि बच्चे पढ़ाई नहीं करते. You are right कि कोलकाता में academics was very important. It still is, right? हमको एक certain level of marks लेके आना था. And if you don't, then you are the black sheep of the family and then they'll treat you that way. Cousins will be treated better than you. मेरे साथ ऐसा कभी नहीं हुआ. I've seen that happen to my brother a lot. He was a very sharp child. He was not a studious child. I was a sharp but studious child. मुझे पढ़ाई करना अच्छा लगता था. It's very weird to say, but even if you go to school, मेरे स्कूल में कभी पढ़ाई को लेके complaints ही नहीं थे. The only complaint was he talks too much in Bengali. He talks too much. He's only saving his friends. मतलब I used to be the class monitor and teacher would come and I'll tell 20 minutes मतलब 20 seconds before I'm like corridor में मुझे teacher दिख गई तो मैं sister बोलते हैं हम लोग, विवेकानंद मिशन स्कूल में था मैं. तो I would say sister आ रही है please चुप 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 and then they'll all get quiet. So they would never know. I've done all of that. Not that the teachers didn't know, but I was a teacher's pet also. तो क्या होता है ना, when you are not studious and you take up a profession because you're not studious, I feel it is still easier. मतलब it's very wrong to say, but if you look at from what I'm saying ना, अगर बचपन से आपको आपके फैमिली में जो भी है, आपकी खुद की इमीडिएट फैमिली या रिलेटिव्स देखते कि ये पढ़ाई नहीं करना चाहता, तो आप कुछ भी चॉइस करो ना, दे विल बी लाइक अच्छा इसको तो पढ़ाई नहीं आता या पढ़ाई करना नहीं आता, करना नहीं चाहता था तो इसलिए ये किया. बट आई वॉज अ वेरी गुड स्टूडेंट. I was a bio student till my boards, like 12th. And I have got like 94.2% in my 10th. And 92.5 with biology in 12th. Not many would believe this. But
I would believe this.
You know me. I'm a very, like, I'm a nerdy person by nature. When I decided after 12th, I'm going to share this story because I know a lot of people will feel and resonate. You know वेस्ट बंगाल जॉइंट होता है राइट, मेडिकल का जॉइंट होता है
जिससे इंजीनियरिंग में जाते हैं, JEE जिसको बोलते हैं,
मेडिकल विच इज फॉर डॉक्टर्स. I didn't take up engineering joint entrance examination because I didn't want to do engineering at all. My parents were very supportive. But before that, for 4 years, 5 साल तक, 9, 10, 11, 12, 4 years, मैंने ना एक पेपर में लिखना चालू कर दिया था. ना आई यूज्ड टू डू इंटरव्यूज देयर विच वाज टेलीग्राफ, बट टेलीग्राफ इन स्कूल्स, TTIS बोलते हैं उसको. तो स्कूल स्टूडेंट्स यूज्ड टू डू दैट. आई यूज्ड टू लव डूइंग दैट बिकॉज़ आई वाज मीटिंग एवरीबॉडी, डूइंग इंटरव्यूज. ह्यूज शाहरुख खान फैन वांटेड टू मीट हिम एंड डू एन इंटरव्यू वंस. तो ऐसा हो गया कि जब मेरा बोर्ड्स का रिजल्ट आया उसके बाद मैंने मेडिकल टेस्ट के लिए, ऑल इंडिया प्री मेडिकल टेस्ट होता है, उसमें मैंने फर्स्ट राउंड क्लियर कर दिया था. द सेकेंड राउंड आई डिडंट गेट अ रैंक बिकॉज ऑफ 9 points.
9 marks.
Okay, so I felt very dejected, but I had prepared even harder for West Bengal joint, which was the medical joint. तो वहाँ पे ना हमारा जो ट्यूशन होता था, तो वहाँ पे हम लोग नेक्स्ट डे जाके सबको बुकलेट्स मिलते थे, और बुकलेट्स डिफरेंट टाइप का होता था. मतलब यू विल गेट A, आई विल गेट B, somebody will get C बुकलेट. क्वेश्चंस आर सेम but it's in different order. Like your question number 1 might be 101 for me. So it's like that. And next day पेपर में ABP आनंद बाजार पत्रिका में हर एक बुकलेट का कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंग क्वेश्चन का आंसर आता था. तो बुकलेट यू कैन टेक होम. सो आई हैड मार्क्ड एंड गिवन इट टू माय टीचर शीलादित्य सर को मैंने दे दिया था. तो ही हैड टैबुलेटेड and he came back and he told my family and me that he is going to crack it because we've calculated the score. He scored very well. Like among the bunch of 15-20 people that were there in that batch, I was at the top, and 122 is a really high score. Debina, I didn't take up any forms for any of the college. I was a really good scorer. I could have gotten into any college. Because of that, I didn't take up any. हो जाएगा करके joint entrance का examination का result आया and my roll number came invalid. There was nothing like he doesn't have a rank or whatever. Roll number invalid was my thing. I might still have that screenshot somewhere in somebody's phone, and it was the most heartbreaking for me. मतलब Amina, I have never felt that distraught in my life. Because at that point when you are just out of 12th and you're almost 18, you're not even 18, you feel your entire world has crumbled, and then you're like, already so much time has crossed and how am I going to get into any college and stuff like that. St. Xavier's. Then I said that I'm not going to do a regular interview. I will not do a regular BSc course. I'll prepare more. And meanwhile, let me take up a journalism course because I was already doing that and I love doing that. So everybody agreed. And I got into a college. Then we started studying. It's a खूब funny story. My father used to come. He used to stay outside because of his work. And weekdays he used to come home. So one weekday, suddenly I'm studying, ekdam biology
Still
book.
Preparing for
my pre-medical next year.
Next year.
Okay. Or machkhane there are people who have called up my mother, gotten my mother's number and said, pay us 40 lakh rupees, we'll take your son right now. हमको पता चला कि आपके बेटे को नहीं मिला. कुछ नहीं, आपको सिर्फ 40 लाख का डोनेशन करना है और हम आपके बेटे को ले लेंगे and all of that. And my mother was shocked. Like, So there is a bit of a problem with that whole system. I'm not saying it's a scam, but there are many people who use that to thug people or to take money out of people. And I have been through that. Never gave money. I was not like कि नहीं मेरे पापा मम्मी का इतना hard earned money I would not waste like that. So then I started studying even harder, and then I had to prove. मेरी जिंदगी में ये एक बहुत बड़ा problem है. If I have failed at something, I will do it till I succeed and prove it. मतलब ये है. You know it because you are the same. I'm studying one day, and then my father, this is a story which a lot of people know. My father has looked at me and said, अच्छा tell me, in Bengali he said, कि अच्छा दुटो option. One is you have become a doctor, suppose, hypothetical situation, you've become a doctor, and you really need to operate on this person for him to survive. If you don't operate as a doctor right now, he's going to die. And you get a call immediately that Shah Rukh Khan has come to Kolkata and he wants to meet you and do an interview with you. What will you do? I said, I'll go and meet Shah Rukh Khan. My father looked at me and he told me in Bengali, but I will translate it. He said, happy is a man or a woman who makes their hobby their profession. This is your hobby. This is something that you're passionate about. Why are you forcing yourself to study and become a doctor? Are you doing it because it is me? Because I used to feel like my father really wants me to be a doctor. Because you're growing up with that kind of a thing. Like doctor.
You grow up with a mindset and you feel sometimes that the aage wala person is thinking a certain way.
Yeah.
And most of the time we work because we think that the aage wala person is thinking even before trying the other way out, other way around.
And I feel like because of what general people usually go through, we also tend to underestimate our parents a lot. Our parents are actually very accepting and very forgiving. They are possibly the most forgiving people that you will have in your life. Your kids, your family, your friends, family members, your own partner may not forgive and forget. But your mom, dad will always forgive and forget. They have that inbuilt in them. Ki they don't keep it so close to their heart that it boils down and spoils the relationship, which is what I love.
Absolutely. I agree 101% on this. Yeah. And I'm so glad. I mean, you also agree to this thing कि मम्मी पापा का जो जगह है वो ऐसी जगह है कि आप हर कुछ भी गलती कर लो, आप वहाँ पे वापस जाओ, वो आपको एक्सेप्ट कर लेंगे. जो बच्चे कभी गलती हो जाती है फॉर whatever दुनिया भर की छोटी जब गलती होती है ना तब एक टॉफ़ी खाना भी गलती लगता है लोगों को कि मैंने खा लिया, मम्मी पापा को पता चल जाएगा, बोल देंगे तो क्या होगा, टू एनी गलती But you have to understand, before anybody else takes advantage of your galti, straight away go to your mom and dad and accept it. That's true. Because that's the place, वो एक जगह है जो जहाँ पे वो एक छोटी सी गुस्सा हो या कुछ हो, छोटा सा whatever, और कभी नहीं भी हो सकता. You are thinking in your mind कि ऐसा होगा.
We assume कि ये लोग ऐसे ही react करेंगे, इनको तो पता नहीं होगा. They will really scold us. They might not even talk to us. They'll throw us out of the home. I'm pretty sure everybody's gone through. I come from a very privileged background. In what way? Privilege in terms of having a loving and accepting family. Poisha auto na thaklo. Even if we didn't have, we were not rich. Okay, we were middle class. But the thing is that my biggest wealth was my parents and my brother and few of my cousins who always accepted me for who I am. A lot of people are struggling with that, I get daily messages, right? And I always tell them that try talking to your parents, because you never know. You are underestimating. You're thinking that they won't understand your problem, but maybe they would. And they'll forgive you. Even if they don't agree with you, somehow they'll come to a middle ground and they'll accept it. Basically that. So that's what happened. And then I realized that, my father doesn't want me to become a doctor. It's fine. Why am I putting that pressure on me? That day, I have not opened that book. And then I actually studied really hard. But I knew one thing. When I say that it was my mom and dad's struggle, because you're a good student and your relatives have seen you in a certain way, your mom and dad will be forgiving and forgetting. But your relatives will never be that. And I don't like my relatives because they made my mom and dad's life a living hell. in those 3 years that I studied in college, এই পুরো বরবাদ করে দিয়েছে, এত ভালো student, and see what they have done, you've screwed his life, he could have become so, he's got such a bright future, you've spoiled it, how can you allow him to do this, this is like, it was made like I have done some harakiri, and it was like, oh, journalists to gutter mein rehte hain. These are things that have been told to me. There was one point when one of my father's friends came and said that and tried to influence my father against me, and you will not believe, I've never seen my brother that angry. He literally asked that person to get out of my house. And I knew that I had the support. So then when you have that support, then it's your responsibility to at least live up to their izzat. So when I studied, I didn't study from a very big college according to like positioning and stuff. But I knew that even if I study in a small college, I'll be the best in that small college. I came to Bombay on 10th of July. 6th of July 2014 was my convocation, a year after my graduation. I topped college. I knew it for a year, but when I went on stage, this I should have pictures of. Rachna, you know, right? Rachna and I were given gold medals. And
Wow.
yeah, and we were two of the topmost students from North East, like entire Northeast. Okay, East, matlab Eastern zone basically, Northeast, East. And I have never seen that level of pride in my father's eyes. He was sitting in that audience and I just did it for him, and I did it for my mother. My mother, I feel she's always expressed it, but my father is very quiet, right? So when I see that pride, and after that, whenever there has been a single newspaper, I used to keep newspaper. John Deganeta I started, I used to take those newspapers and go, and my father would take it to Jamshedpur, to Ahmedabad, wherever he would be, because of his site positioning. He would go and show it to people and say, this is my son, this is my son. And for me, that is my victory, and I'm very happy. So yeah, and today those relatives, they put on Facebook saying, Amar Bhaipo, Mera Bhanja hai, Mera Bhatija, and it doesn't make a difference. Also, it gives me a sense of sadistic pleasure that today they cannot come and tell my mom and dad that why did you let your son do what he wanted to do, because that's what every parent should actually let them do.
How wonderful. And this is actually I'm correlating ye situation to a situation which is very which is called modern parenting. Actually modern parenting talks about, क्योंकि मेरे अभी छोटे छोटे बच्चे हैं, the thought is always about not going wrong in parenting, because हमारे वाला स्टाइल अलग था, एक कंटाप मार दो, थप्पड़ मार दो, कर रहे हैं बच्चा बदतमीजी कर रहा है, तुम कंट्रोल में नहीं रख रहे हो, ऐसी वाली सिचुएशंस की सामने बहुत आना पड़ता है. आई एम इन द रडार
always. Imagine the same people who have done that to us, which is our mothers. They are so nice to their grandkids.
Oh, that's another
God, you
story.
can't say anything to them.
That's another story. But what I'm trying to say is, मतलब जब मेरे बच्चे बदमाशी करते हैं ना, तो मैंने अक्सर सुना है लोगों से कि अरे you are not stopping, you are not doing like this, you are not, the modern parenting says that be accepting of your child's behavior, because if they are loud, मतलब वो एक्चुअली लाउड इन द सेंस, उसको उस तरीके से मत देखो, वो सोचो कि वो कॉन्फिडेंट है, वो अपना आवाज़ उठाना जानते हैं, वो हमेशा डरे हुए नहीं है कि मैं चिल्लाऊंगी तो मुझे एक थप्पड़ पड़ जाएगा. सो दैट्स हाउ, आई मीन राइट फ्रॉम द बिगिनिंग आई थिंक द पेरेंटिंग का स्टाइल थोड़ा चेंज हो गया है कि आप बचपन से उसकी जो बिहेवियर है, उसकी पर्सनैलिटी है, उसको मतलब बरकरार रख के आप उसको बड़ा करो.
You are an elder sister, right? So you will understand and relate to this more than my parents. My parents have extremely been understanding, accepting, but they also come from a different generation. They could have had that conditioning. My mother is 10 times better than everybody her age, because she doesn't have any preconceived notion. वो आपके बारे में judgment नहीं लाएगी, वो अपना judgment आपको आप जैसे हो उसी के साथ खुशी खुशी आपको accept करेगी. My brother was the biggest game changer in my life. If you talk about modern parenting, he's like a parent. My father has never scolded me till date. Never scolded me. My brother has never stopped scolding me. That is the difference. Yesterday also he scolded me on the call for something work related. No, you shouldn't have said this. What is this? I'm like, you're not understanding. I'm feeling bad. And why are you telling me to stop? So he's always tried to, he's a different personality. He's more like my father. I'm more like my mother. We have always, stayed together. He's accepted me the way I am. I have accepted him the way he is. And more than me, He's been the one who's fought for me. I have never had to fight for me because there were so many people fighting for me. If I had to go for a sleepover, if my brother was not allowed till he was 18, I was allowed when I was 14. Not because my mother was okay. My mother was still the same. No, 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 why? My brother would be like, please let him go. It's okay, the world is changing. Which I do. I am a modern parent to my own niece. She's my child. I always look at my mom, dad, and my sister, and my jijaji, and my brother, and I'll be like, don't scold her in front of so many people. It affects you. Because I have gotten scolded in front of people, it affected me the worst. So I'm like, that is something you went wrong with, please don't do that. And I've taught her. Like, I've taught her one thing very, very, and I'm going to say it out aloud. We were only taught to be kind to people who are not nice to us. You will also agree? Even if people are damaging you, chup karo
Just
thako,
be
don't-
nice,
Yeah,
huh.
don't, it is their karma. Till yesterday also the same thing my brother told me. Okay. I will teach my niece and my kids when I have them. Be nice to everybody till they deserve it. Don't be nice to people who are damaging you or your family. Don't be bad. Don't be anything. Don't be nice and kind to people who don't deserve it.
But you don't have to be.
Yeah, but we were taught we have to be. That's the problem I have had with the parenting that I have grown up with. But I was always allowed a voice. My brother was very quiet. He was very naughty, but very quiet when he grew up. I was the most obedient. Then I
पर
became
जितना
like,
मैं जानती हूँ यू आर वेरी वोकल
Vocal, I became
मतलब
vocal, that's
जो
what.
जो है दिल में वो एकदम जबान पे और राइट ऑन द फेस
and then people have issues with that. But people are okay with people. If I'm nice to you right now, and the moment you turn back and I say 10,000 things bad about you, is that good? Or is it like, oh, I think you're a friend and I'm going to tell you, I didn't like what you did here. It's better, right?
एक्चुअली द वर्ल्ड विल बी अ डिफरेंट प्लेस बट लोगों को कभी कभी कुछ कुछ चीज़ें सुनना अच्छा नहीं लगता है मुझे ऐसा लगता है तो इसके लिए लोग बोलते हैं कि क्यों बोल दिया वैसी वाली बात
And even when we talk about modern parenting and family, the best thing about something happened last year actually, 2025 mein, 2023, I had a bad time. I had a breakup, okay? And I had a breakup around my birthday, and my entire family was there. And I don't think I had told them, but they are smart. They understand. Everybody understands. For 1 month, when my birthdays happen, my family stays here for some time. Then my mom is here for a few months. So because mom was always in the other room, I never felt like crying. Every time I felt a little emotionally low, I would have somebody who's as close to hold on to. If I wanted to, I'll go for a movie with her. I will go for a walk with her. I'll eat with her and all of that. I was in Delhi doing a podcast with a friend. Same setup. And 2.5 days I had to stay there alone. I realized how terribly broken I was in those 2.5 days. I've gone and stalked that person, seen kisko follow kar raha hai, kyun kar raha hai, all of that has happened. And I think I went into a full spiral. I was traveling back. So I used to call my mom, video call and everything. It was a big hotel room and it was empty after a point. And I was not getting sleep. So in those 1.5 hours that I was not getting sleep, I used to spiral into a very bad zone, which I never thought I would. I used to think that I'm very strong, I would not get into that zone. Then when I was coming back from Delhi, तब ना मैंने क्या किया, तब मैंने एयरपोर्ट पे मेरी मम्मी को मैसेज किया कि मुझे ना आपसे एक बात करनी है. मैं बहुत दिनों से सोच रहा हूँ कि मुझे आपसे एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट बात करनी है और मैं बोलना चाहता हूँ, बट आज मैं बोलूँगा, आप सुनोगे, आप कोई ओपिनियन नहीं दोगे. इफ़ द ओपिनियन डजंट अग्री, बिकॉज आई एम इन द मेंटल स्पेस, आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू बी एबल टू हैंडल एन ओपिनियन, and I need to speak to you alone. So she's like, I'm available only anytime, whenever. And I just boarded the flight. I came back home around 10:30. At 11 we started talking and I told her everything. Debina, when I said that we underestimate our parents, I think I did that. I did that when I was after finishing my boards. I did that with my father when it comes to my career. I think I did that with my life, with my mother, and I should have never done it. Like, life would have been so much easier and so much more fun if I could have come out and spoken to my mother the way I did in 2023, maybe in 2015. But 2015, I didn't have an experience for me to come and even explain it to her. I'm a very late bloomer, in everything. আমার লাইফে রিলেশনশিপ অনেক পরে হচ্ছে, সব কিছুই পরে. So when I told my mother, I'm crying. Imagine what my mother has done. My mother has looked at me. I told, I don't never like this person. I'm like, why? And then She's like, but I to kept telling you that not a good person for you, not a good person. I said, when did you tell me? You didn't tell me. You didn't even give me a hint. আমি কবে থেকে বলছি ও দাঁতটা কি হলুদ দাঁতটা কি হলুদ. I said,
मतलब
mom.
teeth पीला है.
Yeah. I'm like, you can't be saying that first of all. But you know how mothers are. They're very innocent. They're like, but this is my way of telling you that I don't like that person. I said, Mom, I will never understand. Be very clear now that you don't like this person. So then, my mother is like, let's do a pact. So since then, it's almost 2 years.
I know of a lot of friends in my hometown कोलकाता में ही मेरे बहुत सारे फ्रेंड्स हैं जिनमें से ऐसे बहुत सारे फ्रेंड्स हैं जो LGBTQIA+++ उन्होंने खुद मुझे ऐसे करके समझाया था हाल ही में. पर जब मैं छोटी थी और जब मैं उन लोगों के साथ बड़ी हो रही थी दे नेवर कुड टेल मी, मतलब बट मुझे ऐसा समझ में आता था कि उनके साथ मुझे एक अलग कंफर्ट जोन मिलता था. और पर वो कभी मुझे कहा ना उन्होंने समाज में किसी को कहा. आफ्टर अ वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम, आई थिंक लास्ट ईयर, my friend spoke to me and I was like, but why now suddenly क्यों बात कर रहा है. और I think he got the courage to speak about himself, and maybe the world has changed, has given people the safe space to talk about themselves. You on your Instagram stories मैंने देखा कि आप बात करते हो लोगों से, को मुंह तोड़ जवाब देते हो. And you do it so fearlessly. But when did you get to know about yourself? Where did it start?
You know, I'll tell you something. So when you come from Kolkata, these are conversations जो हमने कभी किए ही नहीं है. Right? हमारे में I'm so happy. हमारे में conversations नहीं हुए, right? But आज, no matter what we say about the new generation, Debina 3 years ago, it was around my birthday के end month, मतलब May के end में, my niece, who was 9 then, 9 or 10, I was going for my dental appointment. And she's called me, urgent, I need something, can you please call? I knew she'll ask for something, which is the subway, ye, wo, falana, dimka. I called her. And she's like, so she called me 2. Mantu है मेरा नाम, so Mantu नहीं बोल पाती है तो 2. So like 2, I'm sending you something, I need that. She sent me a rainbow flag, okay, for Pride Month. So I said, why do you want it? Like, no, it's very pretty, I want it. I said, oh, so you want it as a decoration in your room, only that. So you will not believe that 10-year-old, I cried after that call. I called my sister and said the same. She said, no, I know what it is. It is the Pride Month. It represents LGBTQIA+, she has told me. I'm not kidding. They are already aware. They are growing up to be very accepting individuals. You cannot hide it from today's generation. Like, even if you want to bottle them within that certain level of conditioning, if they go out to the world, they will meet 150 types of people from वो भेदभाव वाला चीज़ होगा ही नहीं इनके साथ क्योंकि उनके दिमाग में नहीं है. Because understand, they are not growing up to be that. I'm not saying all of them will be like that, but a bigger percentage of young people, young adults, teenagers will be more accepting than it was when it was my generation of teenaging, when we were teenagers. Especially compared to us, you guys would have been a little less percentage when you guys were teenagers. When my brother was, Amar maa baba pe to I think there were very little conversation, right? Did it not exist then? Of course it did. It exists in our, if you go to the temples, there are depictions of it, right? So it existed back then. My point is, we have conditioned ourselves. हमने अपने आप को समझा दिया है कि अगर आप एक लड़के हो तो आपको ये करना है, ये नहीं कर सकते. अगर आप एक लड़की हो तो आपको ये करना है और आप नहीं कर सकते. और लड़का लड़की ही 2 जेंडर है और कुछ नहीं है. एंड ऐसा हो गया है कि people don't understand the difference only between gender identity and orientation. I am very proud to be a male guy, a man. I am very comfortable in my body. There are people who are struggling to be comfortable in their body also, which is why they are going for operations and a change, right? Like a transition. Kudos to them. If they want to, they will. It's their body, their life. I don't want to. But when people come and tell me and put me in that spot, then I want them to understand it's not about, I don't take it as a gali if you call me a hijra or a transgender. It's not a gali. They exist. They're human beings around us. They come and bless you. जिनको गाली दे रहे हो वही आके आपको ये करके जा रहा है ना, आपको दुआ दे के जा रहा है. तो ये मेरे लिए गाली नहीं है, बट आई वांट टू एजुकेट देम दैट यू आर नॉट अंडरस्टैंडिंग. कॉल मी व्हाट आई एम, कॉल मी बाय माय ओरिएंटेशन, मुझे घंटे का फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा, बिकॉज दैट्स माय ट्रूथ. व्हाई एम आई गोना हाइड फ्रॉम इट? बट इफ यू आर गोइंग टू कॉल मी समथिंग थिंकिंग यू आर, ओह तुमने बहुत तीर मार दिया मेरे जेंडर आइडेंटिटी के बारे में बोल के, भाई मेरा जेंडर आइडेंटिटी तुम मेरे से छीन नहीं सकते. आई एम वेरी कंफर्टेबल बीइंग अ मैन, बट whether I like a man, woman, it's on me, right? Who are you to decide for me? You talk about that. But people have that thing, and a lot of people tell me, why do you respond to these kind of trolls? I'll tell you why I respond. Not to get any mileage, not to get anything. Not to give them back, not to give them any kind of space or footage. I get messages from people who are still struggling, coming to terms with their own identity. Within themselves, which is even more difficult, and with their loved ones. There are many.
What is the within themselves?
मतलब किसी समय they don't understand their own identity, because you are already told na that as a man you are not supposed to feel this way. As a woman you are not supposed to feel this way. So even if they start feeling for somebody, then you feel like there is a problem. And honestly, I don't know if I'm correct on this, but I know that there's a research which says that everybody has that side which can get attracted to any gender. Okay, not just us humans, animals also can get attracted to any gender. It's about most people not meeting that person from that gender to bring out that part. Tomorrow
no, ये conversation बहुत होता नहीं है. But you know, I have read somewhere that every female has a lesbian side in her.
Yeah, and same. Everybody is bisexual by nature, is what they say. Like, but not many people come to terms with it because you've not experienced that in life, and that's absolutely fine. It's your choice again. It is our choice. I am not saying everybody has to be that. जो हमको बोला गया है ना कि every man has to be that, every woman has to be that. I will never say that for anybody. Nobody has to be a certain. You be you. I will respect you if you are authentic. If you are Debina, I will respect you for being Debina. But even if you're Debina and you're only wanting to become Rekha and you've become Rekha but you're not Rekha actually, nobody will come to respect you. People will respect Rekha only, right? So that is what I feel. Like people today, even they are trolling me, they're abusing me, but there's a section who will come and give it back to them before I can. Because they understand and respect me for my own authenticity. I will stand by what I'm doing and because I don't think I'm doing any crime. जब तक ये criminal नहीं है, what is criminal? Whatever my identity is, whatever my orientation is, if I am making you feel uncomfortable, if I'm jumping onto you, forcing myself on you without your consent, that is anyway
criminal,
wrong,
yes,
and criminal. And that doesn't have to be, you can be of any orientation, you can be of any gender. A man jumping on a woman forcefully is equally wrong as a woman jumping on a man. We've seen Etras, right? It's the same. Yeah. A man jumping on a man is equally wrong as a woman jumping on a woman. It's unless there's consent.
It's like, respect the consent.
Yeah. I feel that word is so abused that any which way. See, it's also some people from the community are to be blamed for it, to be very honest. If you look at few things that are happening, of course I don't also blame everybody for generalizing a particular community. Eventually you're minority, right? Any type, you're minority, you're a marginalized section of the society because you're not much in number. So when certain people from the community, I will not name, there's an influencer. Very recently I saw this video. Very recently, क्या कुछ महीने पहले सबने देखा होगा because it's out there. That person was going on complete dates, sugar daddy, and all that person has done on Instagram. Got millions of views, where they're trying to portray that, oh, I'm dating this person came all the way from there to here, and this, that happened. As a person, I felt, what is wrong in me that I don't find somebody? What is so difficult for me to find somebody? I'm doing well in life. I'm a good person, I would like to believe. I am an emotional person. I will always be that loyal. I'm a loyal person by nature. So I felt, what is wrong? Why am I not finding somebody? You, with those videos, have raised the dating standards for the community so high, so criminally high, that if a person as educated and as established as me can question my own worth. I looked at myself and I said, what am I doing to myself? Why? And then I thought, oh my god, the other person who's already struggling with their own identity, जो अपने आप में ही अपने आप को खुद को एक्सेप्ट नहीं कर पाए हैं, उन्होंने अगर ये वीडियो देख लिया तो वो तो मतलब दे विल फील लाइक दे आर वर्थलेस, बिकॉज उनकी जिंदगी में तो ये इसका 1% क्या 0.1% भी नहीं हो रहा, राइट? एंड आई फेल्ट दिस इज रॉन्ग. You cannot put such ridiculous dating standards. And much to my surprise, few months later I get to know it was all a setup. It is all fake. So what are you doing? Because of you, today most people from the community will be judged, saying they are faking it. They are crying, only crying, Baba, only crying for sympathy.
And then there's always a notion ki matlab they are dating every day somebody or the other. And I think we had a conversation wherein you said, do you think that I mean I would see any man and I'll jump. That's not. अगर मतलब एक रिलेशनशिप आदमी और औरत के बीच में जैसे होता है, I need to like that person.
Yeah.
I will not jump into any man.
I need to be
attracted to one person. My friend, he has I thought at that time that he does not know himself, so he got married and he's got a child also. And then today, I mean, when he opened up about the relationship, he actually admitted that he did not have the courage to even tell his father that, about his orientation, and he followed the norms laid by the society. So I want to know, I have seen this like for real and happening. And vis-a-vis लोगों का जो thought है कि ये एक fashion है, लोग देख के ही भी influence हो सकते हैं. I want to know your opinion on this, like very in a layman's term.
Okay, there are two things that I want to say. Before I say, I want to tell you about this one particular scene from a movie that we all liked, which hit a home run for me. We all watched Rocky or Rani, right? I'm going to. Why I'm saying this, you will understand. In that movie, Tota Roy Chaudhary, who's a fantastic actor from West Bengal, who plays Alia Bhatt's father, dances to classical music. Everybody is making fun of him. The society, his age group, other people are making fun of him, younger to him. And he opens up in a conversation where he says that he could never come and express his desire to dance in front of his father, right? But he could do that in front of his mother because she accepted him the way he is. Now, he's not gay. He is just a person who loves dancing to classical music, right? So they have not shown that he is from this he belongs to this community or is so oriented or whatever. But even then there is judgment, because it is not about your orientation. It is not. I'm being honest. It's not about sexuality. People are not judging me because of my sexuality. People are judging me because of my femininity. I'm telling you this. This is the biggest problem I'm facing. I've realized it over the last 2-3 years that the person who's trolling me is not trolling me because of my orientation. If I was a manly, beefed up boy, man in their language, and nobody would look at me and think that I'm so oriented. There are so many people who are very beefed up, very like powerful, strong, physically like very heavy lifters, who are also from the community. But just because you don't see them and you don't think कि अच्छा पहला आपका perception ये नहीं जाता, तो आप ना उनको judge नहीं करते हो. But आपको judge तो उनको भी करना चाहिए फिर, अगर आप मुझे कर रहे हो. आपको मुझे देख के क्या लगता है, ये थोड़ा गर्ली है, he's effeminate, oh he's a little feminine, no, तो आपको पहले ही लग जाता है. But here Karan Johar beautifully showed that a feminine, like a little bit of femininity is very important for you to be a complete man. He was a complete man in that movie. He was accepted by his mother. He never left his passion. And he was so accepting of his daughter and his daughter's choices. That is a complete man. No, मर्द क्या होता है भैया, मुझे मेरी मम्मी ने सिखाया है, एक इंसान वो होता है, मर्द औरत कुछ भी हो, बट मर्द, असली मर्द कौन होता है, जो अपने आजू बाजू के हर एक इंसान को उतनी ही इज्जत दे जितनी उनको मिलनी चाहिए. वेदर इट इज देबिना बनर्जी माई सिस्टर, वेदर इट इज हर, वेदर इट्स एवरीबडी इन द रूम, मैन, वुमन, किड और एनिमल्स, if I respect their existence, I am a complete man, and I think I am a complete man according to my mother's definition, and I don't care about the society's definition. If my mother thinks I'm a complete man, then बाहर में गए दुनिया के वो लोग जो मुझे आके बोलते तू मर्द नहीं है, मुझे घंटे का फर्क नहीं पड़ता आपसे. बट आपको ये समझना चाहिए कि अगर आप वही एक इंसान को बोल रहे हो जिनको मेरे जैसी सिक्योरिटी नहीं है फ्रॉम देयर फैमिली, फ्रॉम देयर लव्ड वंस, इट विल बॉदर देम एंड देन दे विल do things to harm themselves, which is not good. You unintentionally, intentionally are causing harm to a person. You're bullying a person to that extent who may or may not have that mental strength to deal with it. I am proud that I have that, because, and I wouldn't have if my family wasn't like this. I'm sorry, I wouldn't have. I also would have succumbed, or maybe just gotten married, or maybe just for the society had a child. Do I agree with it? No. But do I judge that person? No, because I know that his circumstances would be much different and difficult than mine. I am very, very, very cognizant of that fact. So my story will be different from others. But I hope, that's why I reply to trolls, so that one person sitting in Kanpur or one person sitting in Raipur looks at that and feels like, okay, he's accepting it. Why not? Let me just try and talk to my mom. What if she accepts me the way I am? Why can't I be fearless? And my brother had told me one thing. When I got bullied first time in school and I had come, he was 22, I was 12. He told me, if you let them bully you, if you show them that you are affected, then they'll bully you for the rest of your life. And it's the truth of life. If you show anybody that you are getting affected, even in a relationship with a partner, they will keep affecting you because they know your nerve. And that's the worst thing you can do to yourself, because you will not know how to deal with it. And yeah, I don't get bullied. I don't give anybody the power to bully me.
Being a mother today, I feel that, oh my God, that's the safe space for your child.
Thank you.
And I salute your mom. And I want all the moms who are watching this, because, every podcast has a reason. And why you? Because of, I have seen your mother from a very close encounter. मैं आपकी मम्मी को जानती हूँ बहुत अच्छे से. And I always felt that she's from Kolkata, और एकदम देख के लगता है कि मतलब शायद उतना education नहीं होगा, शायद उतना education in the sense I'm not talking about booky education, but education about what is existing in the world. But you do not need to know a lot of what is happening in the world. You just need to know what is happening with your child.
That's true.
And you are the safe space. तुम अगर वहाँ पे हो, like a, जैसे बोलते हैं फैमिली हमारा छत्र छाया, तो अगर आप उसका छत्र और बन के छाया बन के दे के रहोगे, तो वो बच्चा सिर्फ तरक्की ही करेगा, वो वहाँ से टूट के बिखर के चला नहीं जाएगा.
That's true. I agree. If your family gives you that courage to be yourself and loves you, and most importantly accepts you for being yourself, then it's the biggest victory, biggest privilege. That's what I said. My biggest privilege is my family, and also my set of friends. I will not lie. When my breakup happened on that day, it was midway in the trip, and my friends within themselves, they realized, and you know how important my birthday is, they played 31 games. 31 games.
I have to say, Nayan is games. So, I mean, if he's there in a party, we only play games. And if we try to play games when Nayan is not there in the party, हमें मज़ा ही नहीं आता है. एक्चुअली हम मिस करते हैं जिस तरीके से वो एकदम मतलब सेंटर ऑफ द गेम्स हो जाता है, कंडक्ट भी करता है, कोऑर्डिनेट भी करता है, और हम गेम खेल के वो मज़ा भी नहीं आता है. नायन इज़ नॉट देयर. सो आई मीन सब कुछ हो गया. मैंने जो कहा कि विथ योर parents support you, the person reaches somewhere. So what was your first celebrity interview?
My first celebrity interview. My first celebrity interview was with John Abraham. In Kolkata.
Achha, in Kolkata only?
I was in the 9th standard.
Ai!
Shruti. In the 7th standard, I started writing for Telegraph in schools. So that time I used to write only school news. School mein kya ho raha hai, chota chota. 9th standard, I got my Tiger reporter card. They used to call them TTIS Tigers. So Tiger reporter card. And then I could go to any place. It's like a reporter card. I remember Kolkata Fashion Week was happening. And John Abraham was walking for Rohit Bal. God bless his soul. He was a lovely human being. And I was all of like 14 or 15. Actually, before that, I had gone to meet Shah sir. Shah Rukh Khan I had gone to meet. But the only thing is that when I went to meet Shah Rukh, no. Did I go? No. I went to meet Shah Rukh Khan later. This was in the 9th standard. And I waited from 11 a.m. ITC Shonar. And I am not pedigreed to dress up or behave a certain way. You are in class 9. You're just an excited child. I was not even allowed inside to the lobby. I was waiting in that waiting area outside the lobby,
the hotel.
जहाँ
Okay.
पे AC भी नहीं होता. ठीक है. आज मैं उनको माफ कर देता हूँ. Because they now treat me very, very well. And it teaches you a lot of things. It teaches you that people treat you differently when you have different powers and different age or whatever.
But I see it in a way that persistence and perseverance is
Yeah.
the key. आप लगे रहो, आप वहाँ पे जाओगे. You need to have something, ना, some motivation, something. God will see also. ना आपको इतना resistance मिला, आपको इतना वो हुआ, but you still crossed that
Yeah.
line. तो वो line को cross करने के लिए थोड़ी मेहनत तो चाहिए होती है.
And you will, because you said this, you will understand. 11 a.m. I'm waiting. My interview has happened at 9:30 p.m. 9:30, 10.
Wow.
I didn't, टस से मस नहीं हुआ मैं वहाँ से. And I remember श्रुति बोल के उनकी मैनेजर थी तब. जॉन एब्राहम की मैनेजर थी श्रुति बोल के. And she was trying to help me. And then Rohit Bal around 7 o'clock, he came out and he was going for the show. The show was at 7. So when he came out and he saw me, and I was like, now only I look young. Imagine when I was like 15 years old, 14 years old, how young I would have been. So then he was
Chota
like,
bachcha.
Totally, like I was like that when I was a child. So he's like, oh, he was sweet to me. He told me, what is happening? Why are you waiting? I said, and I knew he's walking for him. I said, can you request John to come and do my interview? He immediately called up somebody, I don't know who, and he said, just wait here. So he went for the show. He came back after an hour. It was around 9ish, and he said, we are making this happen. And Shruti was constantly like in touch with me. She had given me a number and gone inside. So after that, 9:30 in the night, she's called me, and I did an interview of 15-20 minutes. He was the sweetest to me. There's a picture of me almost like sitting on his lap. It seems like I'm sitting on his lap, but the sofa ka ye was so less कि I was sitting on the sofa ka handle,
हाँ.
and he was sitting here. So it seems like I'm sitting on his lap, but it's not. He was the nicest and the kindest to me at that point. And then when it came out, it was the front page of that TTIS. I think I still have that paper somewhere. My mom must be having it because that was the biggest thing for me at that point. And I felt like this is what I want to do. And then I interviewed a lot of people. I interviewed Madhuri Dixit from Kolkata. I've interviewed Vidya Balan and Rani Mukherjee for No One Killed Jessica, where Rani ma'am has stood up and made the entire press clap for me when she got to know I'm 17 years old and I've come here to do her interview for, I think 19 years old. 19 years old, and I've come there to do the interview for No One Killed Jessica. And till date, she will remember that. I will remember. I have gone and interviewed Salman Khan. I'll send you that picture. He is somebody who, he remembers. He remembers every detail. If people who know him should know this. Till date, he teases me about one thing. So when I went to interview him, there was लाठी charge. Wanted के बाद उन्होंने ना कुछ फुटबॉल का मैच किया था मैदान में. We had gone to cover. Somebody jumped. One of his fans jumped from top. And then there was लाठी चार्ज and everything. हे भगवान, हम लोग भागे हैं घोड़ा लेके, वो पुलिस हमारे पीछे भागी है, because that time nobody will know कि कौन फैन है कौन क्या है ना. हम लोग भागे हैं मैदान में ऐसे पागलों की तरह. Okay, group of 4 people.
For
And
the audience, मैदान is like a
Huge.
huge ground. और वहाँ पे आज भी वो ब्रिटिश के ज़माने के टाइम के वो घोड़े के तगड़े घोड़े के ऊपर
Oh my
पुलिस
God.
आज भी वहाँ पे ऐसे टहल मारते हैं. सो फोर्ट विलियम के घोड़े हैं जो उसके ऊपर पुलिस घूमती रहती है. तो आई कैन इमेजिन द डिजास्टर. घोड़े पे पुलिस पीछे भाग रही है. हाउ फास्ट यू वुड बी रनिंग?
Listen, and it is imagine when I was 15 or 16 years old, I'm guessing, because it was in the 9th standard only. This is Wanted, whichever year Wanted came, and you can calculate. And then we got to know that he is staying at Grand Hyatt. So we rushed to Grand Hyatt. अभी चुल तो हम में भी बहुत थी कि नो इंटरव्यू करना है, ये करना है, वो करना है. इंटरव्यू में क्वेश्चंस क्या थे? युवराज में आप कटरीना कैफ के साथ काम कर रहे हो, कैसा लगा काम करके, ये सारे क्वेश्चंस थे. सो व्हेन वी गो देयर, अविका गौर वाज देयर. अविका गौर वाज आनंदी. And she was younger than us at that point, okay? So we met her and her father because they also came for the same event. And then Avika Gaur actually met us and told us that Salman sir is near the gym. तो हम लोग जिम के लिए नीचे गए. And then जगराज भाई जो आज मुझे बहुत, he is lovely, I love him. He helped us get that interview, okay? He just saw, and Salman sir loves kids. Everybody knows that he would value a child over anybody else. He was the nicest, Debina. He said, you guys wait, I'm coming. And then he came upstairs from a different year. We went there. So it was a 7-8 minute interview from one side of Grand Hyatt to the other side. He took a lift. He went to the 7th, 8th floor, wherever his room was. And then he walked towards his room because he was checking out. Looking at his muscles in the lift, which was the size of my face at that point. सारे सवाल बदल गए. एंड क्या सवाल पूछा मैंने? इलेक्टोरल सिस्टम, क्या आपको लगता है कि एज कम हो जाना चाहिए बिकॉज 16 years old, 15 year olds शुड बी अलाउड टू वोट बिकॉज वी आर 15. एजुकेशन सिस्टम, पैशन, ग्लैमर, ग्लिट्स, हार्डवर्क, एक्सप्रेशन, व्हाट यू थिंक इज नीडेड. मूवी के बारे में कुछ भी नहीं पूछा, कुछ नहीं, बिकॉज आई वाज सो स्कैर्ड. एंड देन ही रियलाइज्ड इट बिकॉज he catches you, right?
Yeah.
And then he's leaving, he's telling me, what happened? I said, no, sir, I'm very scared. So he's like, why are you scared? I said, your biceps are the size of my face. He like, touch them. I said, no. He like, I touched. You know what he has done, Salman sir? You will testify this when we do an interview. He still reminds me, I was in Mehboob when he reminded me. He has done this and he has done this to me.
Lifted you up.
Yeah. And for a person who was a nobody, this was a huge thing. This was a huge moment. Today I can message him and tell him that, sir, I want to meet you or whatever. But at that point I was a nobody and I never knew where I'll reach, right? For me it was a big thing. And I remember those moments very fondly because this is the truth. Like it makes you feel and look back at things so fondly, right? Like today also Salman sir, when I met him at Mehboob few years ago, 2 years ago, he said, yeah, there. And today we are in a thing where Salman sir jokes with me and I like it because he doesn't let...
He has been there in your growing up years,
Yeah.
like in the beginning.
Yeah. And you know that there was a point of time that I was this close to like just working with him on something, which is... And someday that will also happen, I'm sure, because he's a lovely human being, very misunderstood. But people who know him for who he is, he's a he's a lovely, lovely human being. I am a Shah Rukh Khan fan, okay? But with Shah sir, there's a line of respect. I'm not saying I don't respect Salman sir, but with Salman sir, it's more fun. Like, he will tease me, I will tease him, and all of that can happen. So he's that.
I want to ask, do you think journalism करने के लिए थोड़ा सा बेशरम और थोड़ा सा डेयरडेविल होना पड़ता है?
हाँ, डेयरडेविल होना पड़ता है, बेशरम नहीं होना पड़ता, मुझे लगता है. बेशर्म तो आज सब हो रहे. वो अलग बात है, इसलिए मैंने छोड़ दिया. Like as we speak, let me tell you that also, because I really am happy that I can tell you this, that because of whatever, you know, when you say vocal, I've been very vocal about what journalists have been doing, what media channels have been doing, and I don't agree with it at all. On a human level, see, I've studied the same journalism that many people have studied, right? Journalism is about fairness, objectivity. Journalism is not about being shameless. Besharmi is shamelessness. Journalism is not about being sensational. It's about being sensitive and sensible at the same time. Like, when you're taught that if there's a victim, you don't write that person's name, you change the person's name. This is the first thing that they teach you. We know the 32,
Yes,
name changed, right? Have you seen the kind of tickers that run? Everybody's name is coming out, and victims are being, like, there are polarizing opinions, and then their polarizing opinions are normalized on national TV, all that. I don't agree. And I do believe that a little bit of sensitivity is required. Because अगर आज के जर्नलिज्म देखें तो जर्नलिज्म और सोफिस्टिकेटेड ट्रोल्स में ज़्यादा फ़र्क नहीं है.
I feel the same. मतलब sorry to say, but I definitely feel the same. And I felt कि मतलब टाइम कितना बदल गया है. पहले आप किसी को कुछ भी बोलते थे तो द लिटिल बर्डी सेज बोल के नाम भी नहीं होता था, एक छोटा सा स्निपेट टाइप का, एक स्टोरी टाइप का कुछ होता था. अभी तो मतलब हाउ आई फेल्ट बीइंग ट्रोल्ड in the name of journalism before my babies. जब मैं एक्चुअली my babies ट्राई कर रही थी, बट लोगों को उतना पता नहीं था. मैं कहीं से भी निकलती थी, मतलब मैं देखती थी कि इनफैक्ट जो यूट्यूब के जो थंबनेल्स होते हैं, वो थंबनेल में इतना बड़ा बेबी बम्प के साथ मैं ऑलरेडी खड़ी हूँ, वॉकिंग आउट फ्रॉम समवेयर एंड सेइंग दैट बेबी बम्प इज रिवील्ड. मतलब ऐसे कि मतलब मैं खुद ही, इट्स लाइक अ क्लिक बेट, कि मैं खुद ही क्लिक करके देख रही हूँ अंदर मतलब क्या है. एंड देन देर इज अ नॉर्मल दिस थिंग, आई एम जस्ट कमिंग आउट ऑफ अ रेस्टोरेंट, मे बी अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ माई लोअर टमी इज विजिबल, विच इज़ फेयरली, इट वॉज विजिबल, बट ठीक है वो हो ही सकता है. बट बहुत ही मतलब एकदम तो सेंसेशनल एंड वेरी बेशरम जैसे. मुझे ऐसा भी लगता है कि यही लोग फिर दोबारा मिलते भी है मुझे तो उनको शर्म नहीं आती, मतलब इतने ज़्यादा बेशर्म हो चुके हैं.
No, it's because relationships have hold no value today. Like, honestly speaking, today you and I have had so many conversations, right? We've had a single conversation where I think I've cried for the first time during a conversation, and I kept it because it is true. कभी कभी मुझे लगता है कि मैं रो दूँ ना अगर इंटरव्यू लेते लेते, बिकॉज आई एम एन इमोशनल पर्सन. तो मुझे लगता है कि ये लोग बोलेंगे नाटक कर रहे, बट विथ यू आई वाज लाइक नो, मैं रखूंगा ये, क्योंकि ये तो मेरी फैमिली है यार. उनको समझना चाहिए कि ये रिश्ता एक एक्टर और एक जर्नलिस्ट का है ही नहीं. तो ये तो मैं और मुझे पता है वॉट यू हैव गॉन थ्रू. आई एम सॉरी बट आई नो एवरी बिट ऑफ दैट जर्नी. When you and I spoke, you spoke your heart out, Debina, about all this and what you went through. I think people connected a lot with that. So journalism can be that as well. If you're talking about numbers, that video is crazy. With the recent interview that we have done, you, me, Guru, if you go and see the numbers on that, it's crazy. But you don't need to be besharam for that. You just need to be authentic and honest. And there's a way. There is a way about asking something so that it doesn't offend or it doesn't hit the wrong nerve, where you are pushing buttons on an actor or a celebrity and putting them on a spiral, man. There are so many times people have spoken things and they realize that this could be out of turn and people can take it otherwise. Of course I'm going to remove it. If they call me a less of a journalist, great. I'm not a journalist. I'm a talk show host. And I want to say this out aloud, that this is the reason why I'm moving out of journalism and moving out of media and everything, because it was a long time due. And now I'm going to start my own. As you know, you will also be one of the first few. And this is the first time I'm saying this out aloud. I don't know when this episode is coming, but I've not even posted anything as we are shooting. And it will be my safe space for all people. Because the industry has always given me that safe space to be me and respected me, because they know that in a world where relationships hold no value, relationships are the core of my being, especially my being professionally. People open up to me because, not because, oh, मैं पहले से बोल के रखता हूँ, हम लोग कभी discuss नहीं करते. But I do feel that I am also an understanding, empathetic person, where I will try to put myself in that person's shoes to understand what they must be going through. And
so
stop it.
Today you are able to मतलब आप खुद का जो भी वेंचर है स्टार्ट कर सकते हो. इट्स बिकॉज आई फील यू हैव अ ग्रेट रैपो विद अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल.
Absolutely.
और ये भी मेरा सवाल है, हाउ डू यू डू दैट? Like with I somehow feel that whenever I see any interview of yours, मुझे ऐसा नहीं लगता है कि कोई एक इंटरव्यूअर और इंटरव्यूई टाइप का चीज़ हो रहा है, फॉर्मल कुछ. सब बहुत हार्टी कॉन्वर्सेशन करते, सब बहुत कैजुअली ओपन अप होते हैं. हाउ डू यू डू दैट?
I think it's a lot of my mother in me. You've met my mother, you will know. And sach batao, that yeah, it's true that a lot of people give me the strength today to start on my own. I wouldn't have, right? It's very easy. I come from a middle class family. वो महीने का जो सैलरी आता है ना at the beginning of the month, that's a huge amount of security, especially when you don't have the privilege of financial backing and support. And even if you have, I'm a very independent person. Like today, if I don't get money, I may not make money for the next 2-3 months till I establish my YouTube and all of that. I can afford it because I've saved it. But if I didn't, I have a brother who's working. He would take it up for me, but I don't want him to. It's not that he cannot and pressure and all. It's just that you're a working person, you don't want to take that break. A friend of mine who is concerned for me and told me कि तुझे ना, तू अभी इतने सालों से तू काम कर रहा है, तू थोड़ा ब्रेक ले लेना, बिकॉज यू कैन अफोर्ड दैट 2-3 months ब्रेक. आई कैन financially, but emotionally I can't. I quit on 31st of January. My resignation got accepted yesterday, but I knew that I've quit, right? First was the last day of shoot that I did for Galata. From second was a Sunday. Third, I woke up for the first day. पहली बार जिंदगी में 3 तारीख 3rd February मैं याद रखूँगा. In 11 years in Mumbai, I woke up jobless. Okay, and that's not a good feeling. मुझे पहले लगा था बहुत मज़ा आएगा. मुझे बहुत गंदा लगा. एंड कभी मैंने जॉब्स जब चेंज किए हैं तो अगर मैंने सैटरडे लास्ट किया है तो मंडे को ही दूसरा जॉब ले लिया है, मंडे को लास्ट किया तो ट्यूसडे को ही ले लिया. मैंने कभी ब्रेक लिया ही नहीं है इन बिटवीन. 7 दिन का क्या 2 दिन का भी नहीं लिया, बिकॉज आई एम दैट पर्सन, आई लव वर्किंग. तो मुझे जब वो फील हुआ ना, वो मुझे बहुत बुरा लगा. एंड दिस वीक 3rd 4th 5th व्हेन आई वाज प्लानिंग समथिंग, हो नहीं रहा था, कुछ चीज़ें बातें चल रही, कहीं जाके लग रहा है कि नहीं हुआ तो क्या होगा, स्ट्रेस है. आई have certain responsibilities at home. I have a responsibility of my own home running in Bombay, everything. And then it got to me. Like I broke down yesterday and I was screaming, shouting. I don't know. My mother was like, "Arey, don't. It's fine. It'll happen." And I was like, "You're not understanding." And all that is happening. Okay. That was 2 o'clock. 2:15. I got a call where I think at least for the time being my life is sorted. I have planned it well. I think it's my mother and my father and my brother's good karma and also my good karma because I don't think I've ever damaged anybody. मेरे को अगर किसी ने डैमेज भी किया ना तो मैं अपनी मम्मी की बात सुन के मैंने अच्छे से बिहेव नहीं किया होगा, बट मैंने कभी उनको डैमेजिंग कुछ किया नहीं है. तो मेरा कर्मा क्लीन है, मुझे इतना पता है, और उसमें मुझे लगता है कि अभी हो गया. सो द होल टैगलाइन, लाइक, बिकॉज आई डोंट बिलीव in the shit and the nonsense that journalists are doing in the name of journalism. I'm going to call my chat channel, I'm going to call my channel Nayan Sense.
Wow.
No nonsense, only Nayan Sense. That's gonna be the tagline. And the first time I'm saying this out aloud is on your channel.
How lovely.
Because you had told me in 2020 that Nayan, just start your own channel.
I think even before that.
Yeah, 2019. 2019.
Before that.
You are one of the first few people who told me that you are made for camera. You should leave print journalism and do video journalism. You and Kiara Advani are the 2 people I credit completely. And then when I started with Pink Villa and then it started doing well and everything, and when I was leaving Pink Villa, the first thing you told me is like, why don't you start something of your own? In fact, you and Guru even told me, I remember this very clearly, that just start. We are all there to back you up and everything. And genuinely saying this, इसीलिए मैं बोलता हूँ कि मुझे ना एक घर मिल गया था. वो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर समबडी हु इज़ नॉट फ्रॉम दिस सिटी ना, नो मैटर वॉट. जब तक मेरी फैमिली मुंबई में नहीं होगी ना, मुंबई प्यार मुझे बहुत करती है, बट मुंबई अपना लेगी मुझे, बट मुझे मुंबई को उतना अपनाने में थोड़ा वक्त लगेगा क्योंकि मेरी फैमिली, मेरे अपने नहीं है यहाँ पे. बट आप लोगों ने मुझे वो घर दिया जहाँ पे मुझे लगता है कि यार इट्स अ होम अवे फ्रॉम होम. एंड यू नो माई मदर एंड माई फादर, इफ दे नो दैट आई एम एट योर होम, दे ऑल्सो फील सेफ, विच इज़ द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग. So thank you for that. And yes, relationships are difficult to maintain, but I maintain it with so much integrity and honesty कि लोगों को एक टाइम के बाद कितना फेक करोगे, आप कितना ही फेक कर सकते हो. I don't fake it. I'm genuinely concerned for people. एंड लोग लिखते हैं रेडिट पे, देर आर पोस्ट, ये तो हर किसी के साथ अच्छा है, ही इज़ फेकिंग इट, इतना क्या अच्छा, ही इज़ नॉट अ जर्नलिस्ट. मे बी आई एम नॉट, आई एम जस्ट अ टॉक शो होस्ट एंड आई एम अ नाइस पर्सन. आई जस्ट फील even the worst people, I would feel for them. I am an empathetic person, so I get trolled for that. It's okay. Matlab, once they will also meet me, they'll understand that maybe I am this person only. I'm not faking it. Yesterday I called up Vicky and told him that, Vicky, now you shouldn't be having a problem, because now no media person can come and tell you, why did you do Nayan's interview, because that happens a lot. Now Nayan is going to be solo creator, he's going to be an individual influencer, creator, whatever, talk show host, so you can always... He's like, Nayan, but you are always our person. You were never a media person for me. You were always our person. And that is me. I was always for the industry. And I think there is a dearth of people who are for the industry at this point. Like, I would never do something which I humanly don't agree with. I will never do it. And now that I am my own boss, I'm gonna say this out aloud. I felt very happy today waking up. Ki, oh, from jobless to being your own boss, it's a different thing. I will never do anything. If I do, guys, you guys can come and please tag me in it. I will apologize, regret, and remove it immediately because I've promised this to myself that I will never do something that can be harmful to somebody's life or career.
From a journalist to an entrepreneur.
Yes! Yes!
Who is somebody, मतलब बोल भी सकते हो नहीं भी बोल सकते हो कि some actor who looked different, मतलब दूर से दिखा लेकिन when you went to interview was absolutely different.
Like look different as in?
मतलब ऐसे लगता है ना बहुत अच्छे हैं या बहुत ही बुरे हैं. आई एम ट्राइंग टू मेक इट ईजी फॉर यू. हाँ, लगते हैं बहुत ही खूंखार है, बाप रे क्या ही होगा, बट यू नो इट वाज द अदर वे अराउंड. ये भी हो सकता है.
खूंखार तो नहीं, मतलब थोड़े से मतलब intimidating, and then was very nice. Were two people, okay? Salman sir, I said.
Yeah.
And the other person who I actually initially was very intimidated by, उनको पसंद नहीं है कि मैं ये बोलूँ, but ये सच है, वो Samantha. I was very like intimidated by her presence because she has such a towering presence that मुझे लगता है कि मैं पहले बहुत थोड़ा सा मतलब ऐसे डर के बात करता था, but today I can call her a friend. Like I showed her the logo too. So that way I do feel like she's somebody from the industry who I'll hold close to my heart. Alia is also very close to my heart, but I've never felt intimidated by her. Somebody who I felt would be really nice and wasn't nice, Ranveer Shore. I actually thought he'll be a very nice person, but he was not nice to me, and everybody knows why, so it's okay. Actually Dhanush also, but ठीक है. धनुष का तो मैंने माफ़ कर दिया, चलो उनकी ज़िंदगी में पहले कुछ हुआ होगा उसके लिए, बट रणवीर शोरे वाज वेरी नास्टी टू मी.
Anything in your interview that you found very shocking and you never released?
Yeah, many times. Happens all the time. मतलब क्या बोलूँ, मतलब there are people who have spoken about their breakups and not wanted to release it. There are people who have spoken about going through a different kind of space mentally and not wanted to release it. See, sometimes when they do that, I try to explain it to them. Maybe you're gauging it wrong, but I don't judge them. because क्या हो जाता है ना, आज के ज़माने में ना ट्रोल किसी भी चीज़ को कर देते हैं. किसी के इमोशंस को सबसे आसानी से ट्रोल कर देंगे. If I get emotional during this conversation, I'll be the troll person. It's easy to troll me. तो मुझे लगता है कि एक्टर्स को भी ये होता होगा, तो वो लोग ना अपने इमोशंस खुल के दिखा नहीं पाते. तो आई रिमेंबर दिस एक्ट्रेस एक्चुअली हु स्पोक अबाउट द डीपेस्ट डार्केस्ट डेज वेयर शी डिडंट हैव मनी, शी डिडंट हैव वर्क, एंड शी वेंट इनटू अ कंप्लीट स्पाइरल, एंड शी स्पोक टू द एक्सटेंट ऑफ सेल्फ हार्म. देन शी रियलाइज दैट दिस इज नॉट गोइंग टू वर्क and for her, and she was looking at work, and she thought that other people will think of her to be very difficult. You know how it happens in the industry. So she requested me, and we never released it. Then there was this actor who cried in one of our conversations, but that person was gonna get so trolled. That person feared that they'll get trolled, so they asked me to remove it. I removed that, which is also fine. Then there are parts where कुछ भी आजकल तो होता ही है ना कि सपोज आपने मेरे को एक चीज़ एक इंटेंशन के साथ बोली है, मैंने आपको एक इंटेंशन के साथ पूछा है, बट जब 10 लोग उसको रिहैश करते हैं तो वो गलत इंटेंशन कर देते हैं, उसको हेडलाइन चेंज करके, तो दे गेट वेरी स्कैर्ड, विच इज़ वाई ऑल्सो पीपल आर नॉट डूइंग इंटरव्यू सो मच, राइट? सो आई वॉन्ट टू क्रिएट दैट सेफ स्पेस वेयर दे फील लाइक नो, ऐसा तो नहीं होगा मेरे साथ.
That is also the base of being an entrepreneur.
That's
now you
true.
have the support
Yes.
also of
Yes.
all those people whom you safeguarded.
Absolutely. I feel relationships have been the core. I'm not the best. I am not the best journalist. I'm not the most prolific. I'm not the most learned talk show host. Most popular. कुछ नहीं हूँ मैं. But मेरे रिश्ते इतने पक्के हैं ना, वो मैच करना आज के जर्नलिस्ट्स को डिफिकल्ट लगेगा. ये मैं गारंटी के साथ बोल सकता हूँ. द पर्सनल कनेक्ट दैट आई हैव विद देम ओवर एंड बियॉन्ड वर्क, दैट आई डोंट थिंक मोस्ट जर्नलिस्ट्स डू.
और ये भी एक बात है जो गुरमीत हमेशा कहते हैं कि लोग आपके टैलेंट को एक बार सेकंड चांस दे देंगे, बट आपके जो द ह्यूमैनिटी है, द पर्सन दैट यू आर, उसको चांस मिलना बहुत मुश्किल है. पीपल ऑलवेज need to talk about you fondly. मतलब आप बदतमीज इंसान तो हो ही नहीं सकते, और वो बन के आप लंबा टिक नहीं सकते.
Yeah, I agree, because Guru and you are both such nice individuals, such lovely. Guru is like Shri Ramji only. Like I don't know how he maintains his calm in possibly some of the most nerve-wracking situations where you and I would like go like ballistic, but he would be like. So I feel like he's a different breed of human. I am not that. I am very impulsive. I will not lie. यहाँ पे झूठ बोल के क्या मैं बहुत अच्छा नहीं हूँ भैया, मैं impulsive हूँ, but at the same time
Compassionate.
Yeah, but the point is that I believe in this. My mother has always taught me that only. कि do work in a way where they should repeat you.
Yeah.
And people repeat you. There are so many talented actors who don't get repeated because they've given a very bad time to people. There is a very popular actor who's losing out on work because of the way that person is behaving with the team. And we know it from close circles. Not that that person's talent is anything to question, but that person's behavior around his team, the film team, film producers and all is something where they are not getting repeated. You know, finding
तो लोगों को
difficult.
लगता है खत्म हो गया ये, गुड रिडेंस बस.
या कि 6 महीना बिताना है भैया उनके साथ, प्रमोशंस करो, एक्टिंग करो, शूट करो. 6 महीना अगर हर एक दिन करके बिताना पड़े तो उससे तो बेटर है कि भैया. तो you take somebody a little less talented maybe, but an easy person. And I would like to be that little less talented but that easy person in life. I always. Like all my brand campaigns that come to me, agencies who come to me, I always make it easy. I try to make it easy for them so that they can come back to me with something. Because I know that at the end of the day, there are 1 lakh influencers today in the country, if not more. They'll come to you. They can get numbers anywhere, but they'll come to you if you're a good person. So yeah, I would like to be a good person.
Who is your 3 a.m. friend?
My 3 a.m. friend, it can be Mohor or Debanjan or Rachna.
And if it is a celebrity?
Oh, celebrity. Celebrity would be you, Ankita, would be... I can actually call Samantha also at 3 a.m. telling her that I'm very upset and I'm not feeling well. And she's done that. And I must say this out aloud. She was at her brother's wedding.
Oh.
I was in a very bad mental space. Very, very bad mental space. क्योंकि उस महीने में ना एक एक्टर ने इंटरव्यू नहीं दिया था. And I used to feel like, is it the end of my journalistic career and talk show hosting? क्या मतलब, और जो भी इंटरव्यू दे रहे थे, बाकी सिर्फ 2 इंटरव्यू दे रहे थे और 2 अलग चैनल्स को दे रहे थे. I used to feel like अब तो मेरा तो हो गया, ख़त्म हो जाएगा मेरा करियर, मैं क्या करूँ, मुझे कुछ दूसरा सोचना चाहिए. At her brother's wedding, she's called me from the US and calmed me down. So then I would... But मैंने 3 बजे किसी को कॉल किया नहीं है एक्चुअली. कब, मुझे तो नहीं लगता मैंने कभी.
But that's a hypothetical situation. If you had to.
Yeah, but I would call you for any kind of advice. I would... When I was starting this, I messaged you. And I called you.
That is during the day. I received all your phone calls.
But Devi doesn't pick up calls. Guru would pick up the call faster. To reach Debina, you need to call Guru and then Guru will pass on the phone. That's how it is.
Yeah, if you had to describe Bollywood in one word, what would it be?
Magical.
Wow.
Accepting. Also accepting. They don't care. Cinema is the biggest leveler. आपको पता भी नहीं होता कि थिएटर में जाते हो तो आपके बाजू वाले का रिलीजन क्या होता है, कौन से सोशल स्टैंडिंग होती है, क्या उसका ओरिएंटेशन होता है, या क्या जो भी हम लोग डिस्कस करते हैं जिसमें हम लोग भेदभाव कर सकते हैं, आपको पता नहीं, बट आपको उसके बाजू में बैठना पड़ेगा ना, मूवी देखनी पड़ेगी ना पूरी 3 घंटे. आई थिंक दैट्स व्हाई इट्स एक्सेप्टिंग.
ऑल्सो द फैक्ट दैट कौन सी मूवी एक्सेप्टेड होगी और कौन सी मूवी नहीं, नोबडी नोज, बिकॉज देयर इज नो फार्मूला फॉर इट.
एब्सोल्युटली. आज के जमाने में तो कोई भी फार्मूला
नहीं है. We have always spoken about adoption or even surrogacy. So what is your thought on it now?
I was 10 or 12. So as a human being, I have an issue seeing kids on streets. Kids and animals being mistreated get on my nerves. I cannot tolerate. Like, I get irritated, annoyed. I love them. Like, I love them. when I see underprivileged kids on the streets, and from the time I was a kid, when I used to see, I used to get very bothered. Very bothered. Okay. तो आई टू टेल तब सोशल मीडिया तो था नहीं, तब हमारे लिए एक इंस्पिरेशन थी, आज भी है, सुष्मिता सेन. She had adopted, and when I'm 10 years old, she has already adopted, and many years into her adoption, right, around her second adoption. So I remember that I had seen this interview with Simi ji, and Renee had come with Sushmita. It was so sweet and all of that. So I looked at that time, you know, as a 10-year-old, your mom and dad also don't take you seriously, na. कि अडॉप्शन. तो मैंने तब से बोला है कि मतलब, और मैं अडॉप्शन इसलिए नहीं करना चाहता क्योंकि मुझे बच्चे चाहिए. माई नीस इज़ माई ओन चाइल्ड. टेक्निकली आई एम बीइंग वेरी ऑनेस्ट. आई एम मोर लाइक अ फादर फिगर देन एनीबडी एल्स इन द फैमिली. बट आई वॉन्ट टू गिव दैट लाइफ to at least one person or two people who I can give it to, who I can afford it for. Because every child comes and deserves that life, no? Now their social standing, now where they are born, how they are treated, how they are left is something very disheartening. मुझे बहुत बुरा लगता है जब मैं सुनता हूँ या सोचता हूँ. बट आज के लॉज इतने डिफिकल्ट है. when you grow up then you realize that it's very difficult dream. मेरी इंटेंशन को लोग नहीं समझेंगे क्योंकि अनफॉर्चुनेटली यही इंटेंशन को लेके लोगों ने इतने बार चाइल्ड अब्यूज़ कर चुके हैं कि नाउ इट्स बिकम अ जनरल स्टेटमेंट. सो नाउ इफ़ यू लुक एट adoption for a couple who are married is easiest among all the list.
Comparatively.
Yeah. Comparatively, of course. Adoption is difficult. Regardless, okay? They will do a lot of testing. They'll put you through a lot of these things which can make you question your own intention. Adoption for a single mother is still easier than an adoption for a single father. Unfortunately, I'm going to be a single father. And it's difficult. It's heartbreaking because... So, we had gone to watch a movie called The Body in Kolkata. Me, mom and dad, and whatever my age was, I was doing well in my career, financially stable, everything. And there was an ad of adoption that came in the PVR before that. So my mother looked at me and I looked at my mom and dad and I said that, see, this is what I've been trying to do. So the 10-year-old bacha saying is not the same, right? It's the 20 plus something, 25 plus something, 28 plus something person coming and telling you that I really want to do this. My mom and dad actually realized that this is something that I want to do. ये मुझे करना है ज़िंदगी में. Difficult है situation. फिर हमने कोविड के टाइम बैठ के घर पे सबने मिल के मिमी देखी. My mother, it was the most heartbreaking thing, I'll tell you. My mother, after watching the movie, came and told me that if you really want to adopt now, just do it soon. Till the time I am hale and hearty, at least
I'll
that...
be able to take care.
Yeah, and at least that person will have a maternal side. So, my biggest fear is losing my loved ones, okay? And
it's not about losing.
No.
Also, I will say कि with my own kids, I'm saying that as long as you know our mothers are young, it's easier for them to tackle kids.
Yeah.
Because हम जितना आसान सोचते बच्चे को उतना
no,
नहीं
but that
है.
made me feel like that. No, see, adoption though is a distant dream. But when my mother is telling me I'm getting older, if you want to do it now.
21 years back, Nayan, if Sushmita Sen could, you know, move system and get
Mountains,
it done. Yeah. तो I think if you really want it, because मैं बहुत टाइम से सुन रही हूँ,
Yes.
you really want it.
Yeah.
तो if मतलब you made everything happen. And there are मतलब हमेशा हर एक का पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव्स भी सोचते हैं कि if you passionately want something, if you emotionally want something, if you feel that that's the right thing, you know, instead of saying कि मैंने 32 years में thinking whether you will get a love,
Yeah.
think about the fact कि 40 में जाके when you look for adoption, you will get a big boy or a girl. So if you do it earlier, the better. At least you will get a baby, because those are the rules also.
Yeah, I know. That's why my mom, you will not believe, my mom has been reading up rules and guidelines, because I think now my entire family is like कि नहीं अभी कर सकते हैं, करना चाहिए. मेरे फैमिली में वो नहीं है ना, बहुत लोग हैं उसमें कि ब्लड लाइन का ही चाहिए. मेरे भाई ने शादी नहीं की. Okay, I don't have any scenes of getting married. Okay, so the whole thing is like, even if they have a child, my niece is the only child in the family. She's extremely pampered, which is great. But of course, she also wants like a brother or a sister to play with, right? Of course, they will not give me the laws for me to adopt a baby daughter is gonna be very difficult because I'm a man again. But I hope, because I've always wanted a girl child. I think girls are the best. I think girls are sensitive and sensible at the same time, and I love girl power and girl energy around me. So I think I'll be a very good father. I'll be a good father, whether it's a boy or a girl, but I'll be a more compassionate father if I have a baby daughter, because I know this is, I'm gonna be the friend. So, and I know I'm gonna be a good father if God gives me that opportunity, if I really get it. मेरे से ज़्यादा खुश कोई नहीं होगा, पर मुझे लगता है कि मेरी फैमिली से ज़्यादा खुश कोई नहीं होगा. तो होपफुली लेट्स, सुष्मिता मैम नोज दिस, so she also keeps telling me that don't lose hope, you will. So hopefully I'm just hoping that everybody's energies and blessings come together and it happens someday. But we are looking forward to, we are looking at guidelines, but बहुत difficult है. एंड उनकी गलती नहीं है, गवर्नमेंट की या सिस्टम की, क्योंकि लोगों ने इतना अब्यूज़ कर दिया है विथ ह्यूमन ट्रैफिकिंग एंड ऑल दोज थिंग्स कमिंग इनटू प्लेस दैट इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू गेज कि किसका इंटेंशन अच्छा है, किसकी नीयत बुरी है. तो मैं उनको भी गलत नहीं बोल सकता ना, तो दे विल ऑफ कोर्स बी अ लॉट मोर केयरफुल. So that's what.
The same thing you said, the same, you know, about every human being. हर एक इंसान अच्छा नहीं है, बट हम लोग थोड़ा सा जनरलाइज करते हैं कि ये ऐसे होते हैं, वो ऐसे होते हैं. लड़ाई तो ज़िंदगी में आपकी ख़त्म नहीं हो सकती. आप लड़ रहे हो एक चीज़ को लेके, और इसको लेके भी मेरे हिसाब से आप लड़ते रहो, बिकॉज दैट कैन बी लाइक अ स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट फॉर अ लॉट ऑफ other people who are watching you, and you know, who are gaining inspiration from you, that if he could do it, so can I. And every podcast of mine is for the fact that if you are sitting in the corner of your house, wherever you are in, and you feel that you are alone, the fight gets tougher. Only when you listen to stories of people who is having a similar situation, you get a ray of hope and you feel that you are not alone. And the journey becomes easier when you feel that there are other people riding the same boat.
Absolutely.
So, you know,
Absolutely.
Thank you for being in this beautiful conversation, and a lot of good luck to
Thank
your
you.
new beginning.
Thank you.
फिर आप मुझे इनके
Yes!
शो में
अगले
देखेंगे
हफ्ते.
और खूब सारी हम लोग बातें करेंगे. आई एम श्योर ही इज़ अ मच मोर, you know, experienced conversation driver than I am.
No,
I am learning every day.
Trust me, it is not that. I'll tell you something.
Yeah.
Can I also say something about you? And I'm not saying it because you're my sister, because I am extremely biased towards you. I am. But I'm not saying it out of that bias. Your conversations are authentic because you listen. My conversations work the way because I listen and I understand. When I am talking to you about my mother, you are also thinking about it as a human being, putting yourself in that shoe. So that is why it will always work, and it will always reach out to more people, because I'm telling you very honestly that most people are so driven about कि मुझे ये पूछना है, that they forget that they're actually there to have a conversation. It becomes an interview. It's not an interview, it's a conversation, and that's why it's gonna always be the best. And I've seen some of the nicest people come on your show and speak about things that they have never spoken about. And see, if they wanted, they could have spoken about it on their channels also. Bharti has a channel of her own, but the things that she came and spoke to you about, I don't think she has spoken about it even on her own channel. And I that episode is gonna be very, very close to my heart, and I'm being very honest because it's very real, very authentic, and you're gentle as a person. You're a very nice person, and that shows.
Oh my God, thank you so much. जिस तरीके से मैं कॉन्वर्सेशन सुनती हूँ, एक्चुअली मैं घुस जाती हूँ, कई बार मैं इमोशनल हो जाती हूँ, कई बार मैं सवाल भूल जाती हूँ, बट फिर भी मैं कोशिश करती हूँ कि जो मेरा मतलब मकसद है आप लोगों के तक जो भी कॉन्वर्सेशन है लाना, जो आप मुझे पूछते, जो आप रैंडमली लोगों से पूछते हैं, मे बी दोज आर नॉट द राइट places to strike those conversation. This the comment section is, so you can have we can have those conversations in the comment section, so don't forget to comment आपके दिमाग में जो है, क्योंकि I somehow feel also you know कभी कभी जो गंदी बातें निकलती है वो भी लोगों के दिमाग का एक फ्रस्ट्रेशन है, तो वो भी तो कहीं जगह चाहिए ना वेंट आउट करने का. चलिए मैं वो भी जगह दे देती हूँ जस्ट, लेकिन कमेंट बिकॉज each and every comment matters to me a lot. And if you like this whole conversation, it was just a conversation just to make you feel that you are not alone in your life struggle. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the Debina Banerjee Show.
Absolutely. Subscribe right now if you haven't already. I'm pretty sure they're already subscribed.
And thank you so much, Nayan.
Thank you.
Once again.
This is so good.